Okay, this is me and Naz showing Papa Don how to fix the Nutribullet. This isn't spinning. It's really hard to spin. So first thing we need to do, make sure we don't touch this with anything, our hands, because it's sharp. We're gonna have to unscrew this clockwise. Oh, it came off. If you can't do that, you could use some vice grips to do it. But that one came off pretty easy. So we unscrew this clockwise. There, we got it. So it's clockwise instead of righty-tighty. And then we're gonna unscrew these screws. Okay, there's a little washer there. So the little brown washer goes there. Oh, it's pretty dirty in here. Now we got to get that thing off. There we go. And inside there's another black washer. And so we got to get out that shaft that's attached to this. So I'm going to do that with a hammer and some wood. So it has somewhere to go there. Just tap that out. Ooh, that was easy. So there's 2 bearings in there. It's all rusted. Can you see that, Naziah? All rusted in there. All right, so we got to get that out. So easiest thing probably is to take a little screwdriver and pound that out. Just tap that out. Can you see that, Naziah? Whoa! First bearing came out and it is destroyed. Huh, that one is not even together. The races aren't even together anymore. Okay, this didn't go as planned. That is really a mess in there. The bearings are just getting destroyed, not popping out. They're so rusted in. I'll keep working at hammering it out, but I'm not so confident.
I did it.
Okay, so I'm having a really hard time. Come over this way. See inside there?
Mm-hmm.
Really hard time getting this second outer race out. So I'm putting a screwdriver right in there. Naziah, focus. Yeah, I can't see what I'm doing. So the screwdriver in here. I'm going to try and knock it out right here. Pause it, please. Unfortunately, I kind of have to give up on this one. Inside there, I still see the black second bearing outer race, but it might be held in by that brass piece, so I can't even get it out. So I'm going to give up, and I'm only going to put one of the new bearings in there. First, I'll put this rubber washer back in there. It's kind of beaten up, but I don't have another one. I'm just shoving that other bearing back in there, hammering it a little bit. I'm just going to slide this nice bearing in there and tap it down. Try not to hit the inner race. Now I'm just going to slide this back through. Tap it in there and put these pieces back on and then screw it back in place. Okay, tighten this back on. Clean it up a little bit first. Do that counterclockwise.